The Haptique RS90 by Cantata is an impressive universal remote controller designed to reduce our reliance on smartphones as smart home interfaces. Here are some key features. 1. Versatility. The RS90 supports over 3,000 devices, making it compatible with a wide range of home gadgets. It communicates via infrared, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. 2. Touchscreen interface. Blending a touchscreen with dedicated physical buttons, the RS90 offers seamless control. Backlit buttons enhance usability, and the rechargeable design ensures convenience. 3. Smart home integration. It works with various hub-based and hubless Zigbee smart home ecosystems, allowing you to manage TVs, home automation systems, and more. 4. Simplified control. The universal compatibility and dual interface could streamline your home entertainment system, reducing reliance on multiple remotes and smartphone apps. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Haptique RS90. Pros: universal compatibility, dual interface, open source smart hub, security features, multiple user profiles. Cons: limited information, learning curve, battery life. Overall, the Haptique RS90 presents a compelling concept for a universal remote control with its dual interface and potential smart home integration. However, the limited information on functionalities and potential learning curve warrant waiting for reviews before purchasing. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.